Okay, so for today's lesson, we have subtracting fraction. So how are we going to subtract a fraction? So if a fraction is similar, so you could just simply subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. So for example, we have 5, 9 minus 3, 9. So you just need to subtract the numerator, which is 5 minus 3 is 2, and then copy the denominator. Okay? So make sure that your fraction is already in lowest term. So if not, you should simplify your answer. Next example. So let's say we have a dissimilar fraction. Let's say you have 10, 12 minus 4, let's say 6. How are we going to subtract a dissimilar fraction? So same rules with the addition of dissimilar fraction, we need to find the what we call LCD. So we could find the LCD by using the skip counting. Use 6 and 12, which is the denominator of the fraction, and do skip counting. The first common number will be the LCD. LCD will be used as the new denominator of the fraction. And then, how are we going to find the new numerator by simply dividing the LCD and the old denominator. So in the first fraction, it goes like this: 12 divided by 12 is 1. Then, after you divide, you multiply the answer on the numerator. So 12 divided by 12 is 1 times 10. So we have 10. Okay? Next, fraction. So let's say we have 12 divided by 6 is 2 times 4, you have 8. Now we have now a similar fraction. So we could proceed now in subtracting the fraction. So just copy the denominator and subtract the numerator. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay? So in this case, 212 is not yet in lowest term. Okay? So 212, we could still simplify our answer, which is 212. So in simplifying a fraction, you could just think of a number that you could use to divide 2 and 12, or use the prime factorization method. So for example, 2. The prime factors of 2 is 2 times 1. Okay? Next, the prime factors of 12, you have 2 times 2 times 3. Okay? So cancel the common prime factors. So the remaining number in the numerator is 1. In the denominator, we have 2 remaining prime factors. So you just need to multiply it. 2 times 3 is 6. So the lowest term of 212 is 1 6. Okay? Or you could just simply think of a number which you can use to divide 2 and 12, which is 2. So if you divide 2 by 2, it will be 1. 12 divided by 2 will be 6. So the lowest term of 212 is 1 6. Okay?